Hello dear people, Simon speaking. Today I have got interesting video tutorial for you because when you do spline modeling, you sometimes extrude interesting shapes, even shapes for toilets. But today I will show you how to mirror spline. I choose Bezier. When you draw a specific shape and you want to copy it, so you won't have to draw, so you want to have the same shape but on the other side. I will show you setting what to do. When you open this and you select spline, you scroll by mouse button to option called mirror. And you select copy. When you do that, we have copy of the spline. I'm thinking if I can move this gently forward. I also have to be careful because it's outside of alignment line. Because I use the auto grid feature. After that, I believe after that we can weld together. I think you have to use option break in order to weld. One of the splines I could remove because I don't need it. Okay, our profile shape has been welded. The only thing I want to do, I want to scale my shape. I hope you like my video tutorial, because I still have to use this profile shape to use with a loft object. Actually, I could show you how to use loft nerves, and actually it's not loft nerves, but just loft. Get shape. You can see this spline works perfect with loft shape, because I needed a shape profile for my toilet, because I create a bathroom. I was thinking if I supposed to create tutorial about symmetry. Place working pivot. Align working pivot. Some features in this program have been improved, but again I will have to check. This tutorial should be mainly about spline, but I showed you additional settings, so this can be useful in the future. We can also convert to patch, but I see some errors came up when I tried to use patch. I will stick with mesh and convert to polygon. We have beautiful top shape profile, so I can create any items from splines. I hope that you like this video tutorial, and see you. Have a nice day.